Hello everyone, and welcome to Fixing Expert. In this video, we'll take a closer look at curtain rods, an essential component of any home decor. Curtain rods not only provide support to your curtains but also enhance the overall look and feel of your living space. With so many types of curtain rods available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you understand the different types of curtain rods and their functionalities. Let's start with the most basic type of curtain rod, standard curtain rods. These are the most commonly used curtain rods, and they are available in a wide range of sizes, materials, and finishes. Standard curtain rods are perfect for lightweight curtains and are easy to install. Next up, we have magnetic curtain rods. As the name suggests, these curtain rods use magnets to attach to the wall, making them an excellent choice for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill holes in their walls. Magnetic curtain rods work best with lightweight curtains and are available in various sizes. Moving on, we have decorative curtain rods. These curtain rods come in a range of designs and finishes and are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home decor. Decorative curtain rods work best with heavy curtains and are available in various sizes. Double curtain rods are the perfect solution for anyone who wants to hang two curtains on the same window. These curtain rods come with two parallel rods, allowing you to hang a sheer curtain and a blackout curtain at the same time. Double curtain rods are available in various sizes and finishes. For anyone who has bay windows in their homes, bay window curtain rods are the perfect solution. These curtain rods are specially designed to fit into the corners of bay windows, allowing you to hang curtains seamlessly. Bay window curtain rods come in various sizes and finishes. Curved curtain rods are an excellent choice for anyone who wants to create a dramatic look in their living space. These curtain rods are curved and come in various sizes and finishes. Curved curtain rods work best with heavy curtains and are perfect for creating a romantic ambience in your bedroom. Moving on, we have specialty curtain rods. These curtain rods are specially designed for specific purposes such as shower curtains or room dividers. Specialty curtain rods come in various sizes and finishes. Last but not least, we have custom curtain rods. If you have an unusual window size or shape, custom curtain rods are the perfect solution. These curtain rods are made to measure, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Custom curtain rods are available in a wide range of materials, finishes, and designs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the different types of curtain rods available in the market.